Hey guys, welcome back to Completely Irrelevant. It's been a while, but we're here with some more pro tips. Welcome back. It's getting to be about that time where you need to be transplanting some things out in the garden if you do that type of thing. You ever have a hard time losing plants to transplant shock? It's very common. Aspirin helps to reduce transplant shock. It's not only for headaches for you, but headaches for your plants as well. So what you do is, I take 2 aspirin, crush them up, put them in a gallon of water, and then when I transplant my plants, I water them in right then. All of these front ones here, I've transplanted in the last month or so. It's been pretty hot, but if you transplant either in the morning or in the evening, crush 2 aspirin up. These are 325 milligrams. Take 2 of them, crush them up, put them in some water. Water them in when you transplant your plants, and then keep them in the shade for a few days. When you transplant them, preferably you do it in the morning or in the evening, and then they live. Also, I crush them up and I put them in a sprayer and spray the leaves with them, kind of like a foliar feed, and it's really good for the plant's immune systems, helps them fight off diseases and pests. Aspirin's derived from willow bark, which has salicylate in it. Anyway, another pro tip. In the vastness of space, this is completely irrelevant. See you in the next video.